this morning at the break of dawn. My man lay there beside me, but he hadn't been there long. He tells me that he loves me and wants to do what's right. He gives me all his days, Lord, but the devil gets his nights. I don't expect all his time. You'd think that he could see. He works each day from 9 to 5. That don't leave much for me. He's never here at home with me when I turn out the lights. He works for me all day, Lord, but the devil gets his nights. Lord, please won't you change him back the way he was before? I know he must be stronger than the devil at his door. I've fought for him so long now, I can't give up the fight. He gives me all his days, Lord, but the devil gets his nights. Yes, I've fought for him so long now, I can't give up the fight. He gives me all his days.